Vajrasandi Renon Monument. Vajrasandi Monument tourist attraction is a monument in the heart of Denpasar. The place is in the Renon area. Later, this monument was built and dedicated to the struggle of the people of the island of Bali. In addition, many domestic tourists do not know about the Renon Denpasar area. In fact, many who know about the Vajrasandi Renon Monument are foreign tourists, like Korean and Chinese tourists. If Jakarta has Monas, the island of Bali has Vajrasandi, both functioned as memorial monuments. The architectural design of the Vajrasandi Monument is very thick with Balinese architecture. Many carvings are very unique.
The story of Vajrasandi Museum. The originator of the idea of building this monument was Professor Ida Bagus Mantra when he was the governor of Bali in 1980. The architecture of this monument is Ir Ida Bagus Gedeyatnya, who won the architectural competition for this monument in 1981. Architectural design from Ir Ida Bagus Gedeyatnya means Independence Day of the Republic of Indonesia, August 17, 1945, with a design of 7 entrance gates, 8 main pillars, and a monument height of 35 meters. Vajrasandi Renon Monument, the initial construction began in 1981, then was stopped and continued in 1987. This monument stands in the Niti Mandala Renon field. The field is very rich, which is very green. The monument was built on a land area of 13.8 hectares with a building area of 49,000 square meters. The inauguration of the Vajrasandi Monument was carried out by the incumbent president, Mrs. Megawati Soekarnoputri, on June 14, 2013. In front of Vajrasandi Monument, a Balinese art festival parade is usually held every year, which is usually opened by the President of Indonesia.
Niti Mandala Renon Area. The Niti Mandala Renon area is used by the people of Denpasar every day as a place to exercise, like jogging and playing football. Especially in the afternoon, the Niti Mandala Renon flight is very crowded with visitors. The Renon Denpasar area is the central area of the Bali provincial government. It is in the Renon area that the Bali Governor's Office is located and right behind the Vajrasandi Monument. In addition to the Bali Governor's Office, in the Renon area there are many other administrative office and consulate office of their countries. Of course, we will not discuss government office on this page. Furthermore, the name Vajrasandi comes from the word Vajra and Sandi. Vajra means quinta and Sandi means holy. When viewed from the shape of the monument building, it does look like the holy pill used by Hindu priests when chanting mantras in prayer ceremony.
The ruins of Vajrasandi Denpasar, Bali. For Asian tourists from Japan since Korea, the ruins of the Vajrasandi monument looks like a pagoda. Therefore, many Asian tourists regard this monument as a pagoda as in their country. So, if you visit this tourist spot in Denpasar, don't be surprised if you see most of the tourists are Asian tourists. What do tourists think about this monument? You can see the review have visitor facilities apart from the museum. Vajrasandi Renon has a free spot, biggest crowd of stores, a toilet for visitors. Then In the middle of the building, in on the east, there are exit forces. Which step can you pass to get to the floor?
Furthermore, on the second floor of the monument, there is a museum that tells about the struggle of the Balinese people, the struggle from prehistoric times, the development of Balinese civilization, the story of the development of the Balinese kingdom, to the era of the Balinese people's struggle for independence. The story of the struggle of the Balinese people is described in dioramas. Therefore, this monument is also often referred to as the Vajrasandi Museum. In addition, on the second floor of the building, there is circular staircase leading to the third floor, and it feels a bit dizzy when climbing it.
On the third floor of the monument building, there is a room that is quite spacious and is surrounded by glass windows. Then from the building on the third floor, you can see a 360-degree view of Denpasar city and its surroundings. Of course, you won't see skyscrapers in Denpasar because of the local regulation that prohibits building taller than 30 meters. Location map of Vajrasandi Monument. Furthermore, the address of Vajrasandi Monument is at Jalan Raya Ubud nomor 142 South Denpasar, District Denpasar.